One of the things that sucks about doing things in your garage is temperature control, and unfortunately, I don't exactly have a way to build a box. I mean, so I'm going to use this plastic that I got over, instead of covering everything, leaving a gap just high enough so that the project can kind of keep warm, let the hot air come up in here, but it's still got to come back out, so the heat will kind of stay here as good as possible without a breeze, because it's in my garage, there's no breeze. So as long as the projects stay warm, that's what's important, because since my garage was cool as hell, or cooling, my other two projects I just did, 1 second. So when I was doing Slimer, he came out really good all the way until it got to a part on his nose right there. You can see the pit. And on this cheek right here, it kind of does it. Well, oh, I guess it's not. I was just seeing things. But right here on the nose. And this is when I first started noticing the tearing on the print. There's nowhere else on here. This came out really good. But then my second print, I noticed it on the cheek. I noticed it. Where was the other one? It was right by the eye, and it kind of went up the whole head. And when I was doing this, when I started it, so you can see it right there. When I started this one, everything was good. The temperature wasn't that bad. It was the same that I did the Slimer in. The problem was when I came in to check this, when it was halfway through, because I had left home and came back. Well, it's very stormy outside now, and the temperature dropped quite a bit. And because of that, it was rapid cooling the PLA, which messes with the expansion and stuff and the contraction, and it shrinks it faster than it needs to when it's trying to cool off after it prints. Because of that, it tears. So, in order to try to control some sort of happiness around the prints while it's cooling down after it's being put together on the machine, I decided to go ahead and make me a makeshift little thing with 4 corners and a piece of plastic. And that plastic is the plastic that I got with my machine, because when I'm not using it, after I grease it, clean it, I cover the damn thing, because it, we don't want it to get dirty. So because I constantly have it and I needed something real quick to help hold some of this heat, that's what I did.